Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so we are looking at a Ghanaian reggae gospel piano tutorial. Okay, so this song is by Philipa Baafi, Yesu last stop. Okay, so the song was done in the key of B flat. Okay, but I will be playing this particular song in the key of F. Okay, so without much ado, let's start with the song. So we'll be looking at the progression, we'll be looking at the chords they use, we'll be looking at the intro. Okay, so with that being said, let's start the lesson. Okay, so let's check the intro they did in the song. This is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 1. This helps you to play in other keys. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, so I've split the keyboard into two parts. Okay, here is doing the piano, and I have the brass on the other part. Okay, so the brass is So the brass is on the right hand side. Okay, so that is 119 on Yamaha PSR E463. Okay, so let's check the breakdown. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, okay, so you play this particular sequence 2 times. Okay, so that is 1. Okay, so that is 2. Then from here you go. Then we are ending. Okay, so let's check what I'm doing. I'm doing the do la so do la so do la so do la so re so fa mi re so re do mi re do. Okay, so let's check the left hand chord that we are doing. So in the starting of the song, we are already on the 1. So okay, so that is on the 1, the do, fa. Okay, so then you hit the fa. Alright, so fa, so, do, like that. Fa, so, do. Okay, so basically the fa, the so, and the do. Okay, but before you will hit even this one, you know that you have to play the do at least 2, or maybe like 1. So maybe like this. So you play the do 1, so like this, then you move. Okay, so this will be like a starter for the chords to start. Okay, alright, so then the actual song, the progression goes Mechine chini Mensha obibia Mananti Mensha obibia chini enshia obibia manante enshia obibia Yesu amenyani oye pastor. So basically the chord progression follows the same thing, okay? Fa, the so, the do. The additional note that I was applying, or the chord I was adding, was the top chord. Basically nothing changes from this particular song, okay? So subscribe if you have, and more videos like this is coming, okay? I will see you in another video. Bye.